Okay, I should have thought of this, but I just assumed it would go together. I got it all in place and I could not get this to go over top of that. It was so tight I had to take the hammer, and you can see how I bent it out. And I had to hammer it out quite a bit just to get it started, which you cannot do underneath the truck. So I had to, when I knew that, as soon as I couldn't get it in and it felt like it was the exact same size, I had to pull everything out and come out here and see if I could even make it go in. So I got it so it will go in. I had to hammer it quite a bit and then rock it around and swivel it and everything else, and now it will go in. Whether I can get it in underneath the truck, hopefully I can. So just a little heads up, test it, put them together before you go under the truck. I should have done that. I just assumed that these things were all made by the same company and they would fit snug and nice. Not the case. So get the hammer out if you have to and do some hammering, because it's the only way I can make it fit. Okay, I think it'll go now, so let's start over.